One piece to $1.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video. This time we got another episode of the Visual Journal. I'm just about to run the gauntlet on this road. I'm shooting this in the G5X, so I'm not sure what the sound quality is going to be like, because this one's always a bit funky. But we are on the way to the ridge today, the pyramids. So we've got a guided tour. So I'm just about to get picked up, so I'm running over to the location and let's see what happens. So these pyramids are 1,500 years old and when in Mexico, let's go check them out, you know what I mean? So join me on this journey, drop it a like, subscribe, and let's go check out what these ridges have got to say for themselves.
Yeah, David.
Yeah, let's do this.
To this bus.
We're on this one?
Yeah, but just wait the guy.
Oh yeah!
Yeah, there's one right at the back, dude. If you want to squelch yourself in. Yes, gang! Oh man.
Yeah.
What's happening? Yes, yes. Oh, here will do. Oh my god.
$2,000 years later.
Gracias.
Thank you.
I'm here to climb the pyramid.
Okie dokie.
Welcome to CHICHEN ITZA.
A ella.
Wait. I need to get the proper angle. Keep scratching, man. Yeah, we're good.
A ver, venga a ver. Ven a ver.
Perfecto.
Perfecto. Gracias.
It used to be lava, long ago. Cuidado porque en algunos lugares te dicen, esta es obsidiana, y no es. Hay algo que se...
You're looking something, my friend. You're looking something. You buy something to help the Maya family.
My mask? Yeah, it's in my pocket. Gracias.
Drinks not allowed. English?
Picture, my friend. Picture, my friend.
Perfect.
7 hours later.
Alright guys, after 8 hours of this tour, We've finally arrived.
7.5 minutes.
7.5. Constantly being sold stuff on the bus. And now, wow. That is a pretty incredible sight. I would say that it is extremely tourist ridden everywhere, and they all just want money around here. They stick out their hands and they just grab. Are these the ones from Crash Bandicoot?
Yes.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. So, you know if there's a good place I can Drozniak around here?
No.
And what you got there?
Monkey. Monkey drown.
Amazing. Anything you want to say to the followers?
Yes. $1.50, $1.
Okay. Have a good one, guys.
Okay.
Moments later.
Brother man, how do I climb the pyramid?
How you climb?
Yeah.
You need to have much money.
Really? Well, I give that to you and you'll cause a distraction for me?
Not for me, but you need to have to talk with the boss.
What if I just run for it right now?
Right now you go to the
Jail?
You know, that's it, game over.
big problem.
I want to see what's up there, man.
It's not nothing. We've been there and climbed there.
You climb there?
Sure.
So we do it right now?
Because now I can do because people see and everybody wants to climb.
Close, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. But if I want, I can do. But because we live here, and if I climb, tourists like looking that and is coming with me.
come too.
Yeah. I'll come with you.
Yeah, no. But really,
$5 right now, let's go together.
$5.
Yeah? You want that?
He smoke marijuana. He smoke marijuana.
You want to smoke marijuana?
Yeah, what?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Should we climb it?
Huh?
$5.
You know how much money if you want to climb?
How much?
Big money, big wallet.
$20.
More than that. Some people climb in the morning.
Yeah?
But nobody see.
Nobody's
Yeah.
watching, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Not like.
Don't do it.
No, you're going to the
Yeah. I need to do it, man.
close the
I did the one in Egypt. You know, I need to do this one.
yeah.
Either that or the Drozniak. You know, a good Drozniak
you,
spot.
You want to climb?
Yeah.
You go to the police and
And what do they do with you
That's
then?
And
you
come,
pay.
we come
You
to the
pay.
jail.
You know how much money you pay?
No, how much? $5.
500.
25,000
Dollar.
pesos.
Pesos. What's that translation?
¿Qué aumenta ya? ¿Qué pasó, amor?
So this is 1,500 years old. 25,000 pesos. We're just getting we're getting a translation or a
1,000 euros.
1,000. Is it worth 1,000 euros?
25,000 pesos.
25,000.
The police going and
1,000 euros to
you
climb
pay
that.
25,000.
It is hot in these Mayan temples. So we've got some rubble behind me from the Mayans. So what they've said at the start is that we can't use gauzes, we can't get the drone up. So I'm trying to locate an area where we can potentially get the Drozniak up. If not, I'll probably have to fly it from the car park. But there is a fair few people at the front to, well, right by the pyramid. So if I'm going to send it there, it's going to be pretty crazy. But we'll see kind of what happens. This is the first time I've been on like a tour or whatever. And on the bus, they'd be selling you everything, all of it, constantly. Some sort of weird, funky vinegar, some leathery pieces. I'm not sure if the pyramids are actually going to be climbable. I'm going to try and Drozniak from the car park, but it is pretty tourist and they pretty grabs around here. You know what I mean? It's So we're just on some wander through with these Aztecs, but they're just on the selling. Check this out. Oh, you want to be in it? Oh.
You're so tall, baby.
Oh my god, they're literally next one.
Kitchens. Almost free.
Fantastic hat. If I had time, I'd shoot it, but I got to fly the Drozniak. It's mad, isn't it? Yeah, it is. They're so diving out of bushes, just sweating their beads off. I mean, it's a hot distance. Look at it. Exit through multiple gift shops. Oh my god, there is literally no escape. There's just literally no escape. There's no escape, is there? There's no escape.
Magnet for $1. $1 the magnet, $1 the magnet.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
If you make it,
There's no escape. I don't.
if you make it through here,
$1.
you make it through here without buying anything.
I just wanted to climb it. Oh my god. I didn't even think you were real for a second. Oh my god. Nice hat, bro. Episode 2 of the visual journal in Chichen Itza in Mexico. Obviously tourist as hell, just a massive tourist trap. We're on a tour at the moment, and basically the people on the tour on the bus, they get on, they sell you like this funky kind of vinegar, they put out these like leather pouches and stuff and want you to buy it. It's very money grabby, but the Mayan situation would have been pretty epic back in the day, and to create a structure like that, wow, the thought and process that must have gone into it, and the collaboration with all the people would have been insane. But compared to the Egyptian one, we got on top of the Egyptian ones. This one apparently was €1,000, 25,000 pesos to climb on top of the pyramid. So yeah, and we got to go now because it's 4 o'clock and that bus is going to be making a move without us. So if you've enjoyed this video, drop it a like, subscribe for more visual journals. There's going to be one coming up in New York very soon, so be on the lookout for that one. And yeah, enjoy. Peace.